It's use your hands, hold this, okay? Yeah, hold this.
Yeah.
And then use your palm, press on this. Can you see? Press. It's not like this because you cannot move. Also, you need 4 fingers hold this little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Mainly here, when it's a tight part. Of course, whole spine can do this. Okay. With this one, you can either hold like this. You can use your palm like this part. Press. This is slip away, all right? Or you hold any direction, this direction, and comfortable, all right? All the direction you can see go upwards or downwards, okay?
Okay.
Right. Okay. So hold your wrists. Make
So
your
this
wrists
is
much
how I've done
stronger.
it, because if I do it this way,
You try two hands. Try use your 2 hands together.
like that.
2 hands together. Yeah.
How does it feel, Tommy?
Yeah. Use your 2 hands to push the spine. Yeah, that's better. Okay.
Okay.
Because for me, like my one hand is free. I only use one hand. You can use.
Yeah, to be fair, I have more force.
Yeah.
Like it moves the body more.
Yeah, use 2
Less
hands.
tiring, yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's a good technique, okay.
Because we need the force.
We got there.
We don't need the looking, all right?
Yeah.
Looking good or not doesn't matter. It's only the power on the pressure going to the space. Okay.
Okay, the itch.
Okay. Right.
Okay, Tommy.
Very good. Yes.
That's one. Which one? First or second?
First one, yeah. First one you can hold, yeah.
Yeah,
Better.
find it easier.
Yeah, you can hold better, yes. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.